You want recording? I can record in my brother's and then YouTube. Started? Okay. So see, this is the linear equation x, y where powers are 1. Yes. And in our second PDF, we are going to deal with the equation which have 2 powers. X to the power 2. Now again, these are linear equations plus it's a multivariable. Why? Because it takes 2 variables, right? X and y. You're understanding? Stop me at the point. I'll go fast.
No, you're explaining properly.
Okay. Now, any equation can be represented in a stack.
Sorry. X raised to 1, it is called a linear equation. And x raised to 2,
it's a quadratic equation.
Oh, okay.
Which is our second period. Okay.
Okay,
now I 3 and so on.
So that's what a linear equation is.
So this is a linear equation because its power is 1.
Yes.
And multivariable because 2 variables. Okay. My work is not very good. Okay.
To what?
My work on the paper is not very good.
Oh, it's very good.
Okay. Yeah. So now now any linear equation with multivariables, 2 variables x and y can be represented in a standard form this. So your a1, b1 and c1 are actually the numbers.
Okay.
But x और y तो same ही रहेगा सारी equations में because it's linear equation and x and y. Linear equation in x and y means what? X और y का power 1 1 है और equation x और y में means there has to be an x, there has to be a y. Also there has to be a constant. This is a standard way. This constant may or may not be 0. If it is 0, then you have like something like this equation. If it is not 0, you have something like this equation with constant 8. So now here your a1 is what? Okay, now here my a1, b1 and c1.
Wait, I'll tell you.
a2, b2 and c2.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
One minute, a1 is 5.
What is my a2?
a2 is 4.
Huh? 4. This is the standard form. a1, b1, c1. a1, b1, c1. Now this is the second equation. a2, b2, c2. Okay, what is my a2?
A2 is 7. Okay, that's very interesting.
b1 and b2. What is my b1 and b2? You have to also see the signs.
Yes. Okay, it's minus 4 is b1 and plus 6 is
what is my c1 and c2?
c1 and c2 is 8 is plus 8 and minus 9.
Okay. Now the condition of how to know whether it is a unique solution, no solution or infinite solution. So what is my a1? Okay, now see, this is the rule. I will show you directly.
Most probably it will be a unique solution.
No, you cannot predict like that. You cannot predict unless and until you show it graphically. Okay. Now this is the condition. If my 2 equations, there are some 2 standard equations. These are the examples given. Okay, ऐसे हम लोग 2 equations को लिखते हैं. हमने उसका a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 का ratio निकाला. You know this is a ratio, right? This is my 5/7 ratio. This is my minus 2/3 ratio. I divided by 2, and this is my same 8/9. It does not cancel. Now, if my a1 and a2 and b1 by a2 are not equal, then I have exactly one solution. If these 3 all are equal, I have infinite number of solutions. If 2 are equal, 1 is not equal, it's no solution. Now tell me which of the condition is satisfying over here.
Okay, let me see. I'll tell you. Okay, now a1 and a2 is not equal to b1, b2,
which is also not equal to c1 and c2.
Yeah.
Okay. Now just go to the first condition. My first condition itself. So इसमें से कौन सा आंसर रहेगा? What do you think?
So it will have one unique solution.
Yeah, because my first condition itself satisfied.
Yes.
a1 and a2
yes.
is not equal.
Yeah.
So I know that there is only one x and y point in the whole space which will satisfy these 2 equations. No other point. Okay, this is your answer. Okay.
I like the way you explained that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
In the whole space, there's only one x and y point.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Now I'll see. I cannot stop. I need to tell you this very interesting thing.
Okay.
Now this is what linear equation in x and y. It graphically represents what? A line, a straight line. It's an equation of a straight line. This is a standard equation of a straight line. You know there are circles. All shapes are mathematically representable, right? I don't know. Okay.
Oh,
Any shape.
Amazing. Now I get.
That's why I'm telling you. If you're learning now mathematics, if you're enjoying it now, अच्छे से करो.
No, I'm zero in maths, please. I just want to pass
you are
my
enjoying
first
it, right?
No, that's because you're explaining it in such a way. But really, I'm not good at it.
Okay, but अगर ऐसे समझोगे तो आप हो जाओगे.
No, at the moment I like it the way you're explaining.
Okay, thank
but
you.
I really don't have any brains for that.
Because you're learning.
The hard disk is not there.
No, but
for maths is
you
not
have just
there.
started there.
The
You are from biology department. Nobody expects you to know the mathematics.
No, I learned till 11th standard and then I dropped it in the 12th.
Okay, no problem. So so this is a standard. अभी हम लोग lines पढ़ रहे हैं तो I'm only telling you about lines. तो ये equation standard equation है straight line का.
Yes.
So now there are 2 equations means I have 2 lines.
Yes.
Now what this says that there is only one unique solution. Abhi graphically I have two lines. What is the three possible way of two lines on graphs? They can intersect. They are parallel to each other. They will never intersect. You know what? Parallel lines never intersect. Possibly there is one line. There is a second line exactly over it.
Touching it.
Exactly over
at
it.
all points.
हाँ exactly over it. मतलब
But then it
दोनों
will
लाइन
be
सेम ही है.
Same ही है.
सेम ही है. दोनों लाइन सेम है मतलब जो सारे पॉइंट्स इस लाइन पे है वही सारे पॉइंट दूसरी लाइन पे भी है. मतलब कि व्हाट इज द पॉइंट. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट कैसे होता है एक्स और वाई. मतलब मेरे जितने सॉल्यूशन एक्स और वाई के एक लाइन सेटिस्फाई करे वही सारे सॉल्यूशंस दूसरी लाइन को भी सेटिस्फाई करेंगे बिकॉज दोनों सेम ही लाइन है. एक के ऊपर एक है. You are okay with Hindi?
Yeah, it's perfect.
So here I have infinite solutions because there are infinite number of x and y points which satisfy both the lines simultaneously, right? What is the solution? Okay, here
Right.
I get one unique solution.
So
Suppose
basically, when we solve the equation, we are trying to see
how the lines behave.
how the two lines relate to each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Related. So x and y are the points at which the two lines relate to each other.
Exactly.
So most probably it's according to a common person, it would be an intersection. I mean, generally when we think
So when it is an intersection, you have exactly one unique solution.
Correct.
And when there are parallel lines, they are not going to intersect. There is no common point.
Oh my God, you're fantastic, huh?
No solution.
What's your full name? Parita what?
Mehta.
Okay, then what is this Bhumika Sag?
That was a मतलब वो रहता है ना राशि पे थोड़ा नाम रखते हैं. When I was born, it was long backstory. Okay. So here the two lines does not intersect. So there is no solution. Okay. So this is my graphical representation.
I didn't know what we are trying to solve here. What was two
That's why.
equations and what is
That's
this
why I was
and
not
all?
liking when you were saying कि no,
No,
I'm just
but
solving.
Parita, this question should come from me, na?
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you just start from a particular area, no, then I don't understand why you're explaining.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to
I
do
should
all this
value.
thing.
I should value what you're
That's why I
saying.
was telling you to let me
Question
start the
should
way I
come
was.
from me. No, the question should come from me. I should ask you, please tell me. You know, then I know the value of it.
Slightly different way of studying.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
So here I have two lines. I have a point. I say कि this is the answer to my point. Suppose हम लोगों ने ये two equations solve किया. I know now it is unique. Now I will show how to solve it. Suppose my answers come out to be 3 and 4. What does it mean? कि this point satisfies this equation also and this equation also.
Yes.
It means this point lies on this line also and on this line also.
Point of intersection.
Point of intersection. Suppose I don't get any solution. I will give you example.
Coordinates on the latitude, the x-axis and y-axis coordinates. Yeah.
Suppose I don't get any solution. मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ solution ही नहीं मिलता है. Means this
Parallel
both line
lines.
and parallel. And if I get infinite number of solutions,
This is the same line.
okay. Now I will tell you how to solve this.
Yes.
Two equations to get an equation.
So you said if they are equal, na, if A1 and A2 are
It is
equal,
rightly given.
you can just tick on it, yeah. Yes, sir.
Here,
Whatever you're saying now, or maybe I should take another pen.
I didn't get you. You want a Xerox?
No, I know I have Xerox is fine.
Actually, you want to write down whatever I'm telling?
No. I just want to mark where it is. Like where is it compared?
I'll take a pencil. So,
No, I have another pen. I'm sure. No, what you're saying, I should remember, na?
yeah.
Because see now how to because see how you decided that how you came to know that it has only one unique solution that A1 is so where is
This
that
is the
given?
condition.
The condition. A1 is not equal to A2.
So this table is important.
This
It
table,
gives three
yeah.
different
This
equations,
table, yeah.
three ratios. Yeah, 46.
Okay.
Now this is done that you know how to know whether there are solutions or not. Now they have shown some examples graphically. What I showed you. Now we need to know that अभी हमें पता है कि there is exactly one solution. Now we can find it. How to find it? There are very different methods. Now the very simple method is see when you have this equation.
You were in the 11th and 12th, you didn't know all this now.
No, I knew it.
Somebody explained to you so well.
No, I was from Madhya Pradesh board, so we used to study this way only. So, okay. So now, I'll tell you.
You had some very good teachers here.
Yeah, very fantastic teachers. Okay, so suppose this is my equation. 3x plus y equals to 0. This is my 4. One method is, अभी हमें पता है कि इसमें एक में y तो है नहीं. This is
Okay, one minute. This is not multivariable. This is univariable.
First equation is univariable, second equation is multivariable.
Correct.
How you will solve it? The easiest way
Easiest way is substitute.
for x.
Yeah, find what x
In
is
y?
and substitute this.
You know this method, I guess.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. I'll do it if you want.
Okay, just tell me.
Because
What is the
I
value
might
of x from the first equation?
Okay, the value of 2x is equal to -4, and so x is equal to -4 by 2.
It's
So
minus.
x is equal to -2.
I put in y. What is my y equation?
So when x is equal to -2, then it becomes -4.
Minus 3 into minus 2.
No, 3. Okay.
3.
It's -6. Sorry.
So y is my
y is equal to 6.
what? So this is your
So
substitution.
I know. Okay. The substitution. I got to write that. So the one thing that I know in life is substitution, right?
Okay. So
I
here
know
it is
substitution
very.
in linear equations. Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, great.
If you
God,
would have
I
gone
know
to the
what it-
Xerox ना, अगर आप मतलब इसमें जाते ना, this is very elementary level. आपको अगर if you are good with
नहीं,
English,
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I will in fact, I will get a block.
Okay.
And I'll get scared, and then even if I come to you now, all those blocks will be in my head.
Okay. So now here again, अभी ये तो मैंने simple बताया. Now you have these two equations. Tell me how will you solve it by substitution? What value you will put for x?
Value for x.
Okay, just solve it quickly.
Yeah, okay. See, quickly and all I can't. That is my.
No. Okay, you will be able to
No.
solve it.
Okay, where is which one?
These two equations.
Okay, x minus 2y is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay. Now these are multivariables, so I can't do
I
any
can do
substitution.
it by substitution very easily.
Okay. Let me see. I'll do it. Okay. Fine. You don't tell me.
This is your easiest
No.
equation.
X is equal to plus 2y, and so y is equal to x by 2. Yeah.
But don't take this division things. It is complications.
difficult, yeah.
Just substitute for x in the next equation.
Okay, so x is equal to y. Fine. So 3 into 2y plus
2 into y,
What?
not y.
3 into 2y plus sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. So that's 6y plus 4y is equal to 20. 6 plus 4 is 10y equals to 20. Y equals to 2. Okay.
And then what is your x?
So when you have y is equal to 2, then you have x is equal to -4.
You have
One
already
minute.
equation over here. 2 into y. 2 to the 4.
Okay. Here
No
also
need
I
to
can-
go back to the same.
Yes,
You have
but
got this equation ना?
But I can do it like this also now.
हाँ, पर वही ये दोनों equation same ही है ना?
But see, instinctively I went to that.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. ठीक है?
Yeah. Okay.
Now
So the x is equal to plus 4, right?
plus 4. Okay.
So this is also substitution method of solving linear equations. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're saying there are many methods.
Okay. Now this is a substitution, which is the simplest method of solving.
Simplest. I only know the simplest.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
the second method is
There are many methods.
one is a graphical solution, which I just tell you, unique. See, graphical is not going to tell you
Yes.
which are the exact solution. It's only going to tell you
Yeah.
how many solutions are there. Unique,
Yeah.
0, infinite. But in case if you are lucky and you know any one point, suppose you have infinite solution and you know any one solution, then you can find out the other solutions, right?
Yeah.
For the second line, if you know solution for one line.
Whether it is infinite solution or whether it is intersecting, so one unique solution.
It's given.
Yes, but
I'll mark here, don't write.
Yes, but and there are the other one was no solution.
No solution,
That's
parallel lines.
Yeah. This won't help me. It's better that I write down all
Okay,
the
fine.
things. This doesn't help me.
Okay.
Parallel lines. And this is intersecting line, and this is the same line. Wow, that was like superb. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's not given here also. Like what I
A1
said.
by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. My God. And then it will be intersecting. Yeah. And if there is no solution there, A1, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 now.
But
Then-
not equal to C1 by C2, it is no solution.
Or if A1 by A2 is,
Equal to,
yeah.
but not equal to C1 by C2.
But okay.
Sometimes the case is possible. And when all the three are equal, find its solutions.
Okay, A1 by A2 is equal to
B1 by
B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 and then no solution. So what I'm saying now, C1, if suppose the C1 C2 is not there, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, then it is infinite solutions, no?
If A1 by A2
is equal to B1 by B2.
there are two possible ways. Why? There can be no solution also, and there can be infinite solution also. Therefore, you need to check for the third equation, third condition.
This is infinite.
See,
this is infinite, na? In this.
Infinite solution.
Yeah. So then how will you know if it is no solution or infinite?
Abhi, see, here it is not equal, you get the answer, that is unique solution. Now you check for this, now you say, okay, both are equal. But two possible ways. It may not be equal to C1 by C2, it may be equal to C1 by C2. So you need to check whether it is or it is not. If it is, agar ye dono
but if
equal
it is just this much, if C1 C2 is not there,
C1 C2 has to be there if these both are equal. You need to check for the third equation. Okay, I'll show you.
There are always three parts, you know, there's always C2, C1 and C2.
2 by 4, 3 by 6. Okay, it's equal, right? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But how will I say that it is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2? Now, infinite या कैसे पता चलेगा? थर्ड इक्वेशन तो चेक करना पड़ेगा ना?
That means always this third part is there in an equation.
थर्ड पार्ट हैज टू बी देयर. यहाँ पे भी थर्ड पार्ट है, पर यहाँ पे क्या है थर्ड पार्ट?
1 minute. It is plus 0.
Right. Third part is
Why always three parts are there in an equation?
because that is the standard way of writing a linear equation in two variables. That's what I said you initially.
See, that's what I have to write down. What is the standard way?
Standard equation.
Standard equation. Standard way of representing an equation.
A linear equation
A linear equation in two variables.
in two variables. What is that? Ax
Ax
plus two variables. How many variables has to be there?
A plus A
Okay,
y,
just
A y, okay,
No,
B
right
y.
here. Tell me how many variables? X and y, right there. X and y, two variables,
Yeah.
and some constant always has to be there in every equations.
Okay.
K. Okay. Now यहाँ पे कुछ तो multiplication में होगा, so you have to represent it either 1 or 0. तो a यहाँ पे कोई एक right
Plus
any constant into
this is A1 and this is A2, no?
when you say two lines, you represent it by A1, A2, but only one line standard way Ax dx
By
By?
plus K
equals to 0. Now if I give you two equations, you will represent this by A1 and other by A2, because you have to identify कि हमने कौन सा दो अलग-अलग equation लिया. समझा?
Correct. If there are two equations, then use A1, A2 instead of AB. To understand. So what I'm saying, so you're saying this represents a line, no?
A straight line, graphically, yeah.
This represents a straight line graphically.
So this is a standard equation for a straight line.
Fine. But if it represents a straight line graphically, why do you need these three? Suppose,
Okay.
yeah, that's what
Okay,
you
so you want to know what is a straight line equation कैसे हो गया ये?
Yes. Wow, this can go on forever.
That's what I said. That's what I
Now I
said. You want to know कि
Yeah,
porous तो
now I
चाहिए.
understand. Yeah.
Okay. अभी straight line जो होता है ना, ये एक straight line है. Okay. मैंने क्या बताया था? ax plus by plus c equals to 0. ठीक है? अभी ax equals to क्या होगा? Sorry. by equals to क्या लिखूँगी मैं? Minus of ax and c will go here, then it will become what? Minus c. Now any equation, this is y, this is your x graphically. What is your b here?
It's a y-axis.
हाँ, तो ये है okay. This is my okay. B and x forget it. This is my portion minus of c.
What?
ये जो लास्ट में कांस्टेंट रहता है ना, ये मेरा ये पोर्शन है जहाँ पे मेरी लाइन y को कट करती है, और 0 से यहाँ तक का जो पोर्शन है ना, वो मेरा लास्ट पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ये पूरा पार्ट माइनस और प्लस. जैसे अगर ये प्लस रहेगा तो ये 0 के ऊपर रहेगा, पर अगर ये माइनस पे ऐसा कट करता है तो दिस इज माई माइनस सी. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज माई दिस माइनस ए, व्हाट इज दिस माइनस ए और प्लस ए, जैसा भी इक्वेशन रहा. दिस इज माई एंगल फ्रॉम एक्स, दिस इज माई tan थीटा. तो एनी इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट कि वो लाइन एक्स से कितना इंक्लाइंड है. ओके. Okay?
They never explained this to us.
They do
In
explain.
8, 9, 10, they never did this.
No, whenever they explain a
standard.
pair of lines, जब भी स्ट्रेट लाइन इंट्रोड्यूस होता है ना 11th स्टैंडर्ड आपने किया है ना,
हाँ
तभी स्ट्रेट लाइन इंट्रोड्यूस होता है।
कभी ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया।
ओके आई डोंट नो, पर जब भी स्ट्रेट लाइन इंट्रोड्यूस होता है दिस इज ओनली वे यू यूज, आई मीन वी ऑलवेज स्टडी दिस वे बिकॉज यू शुड नो ना वेयर द इक्वेशन कम्स फ्रॉम।
So cruel, no? They spoil your interest in maths.
You have done from this board, SSC board?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I can explain.
So it's like that, yeah? You've done CBSE, yeah?
No, I have done my Madhya Pradesh board.
Which is all.
But Madhya Pradesh board study is 10 times better than the CBSE.
Sure. Because I'm telling you, in Goa board people don't
Madhya
know
Pradesh
this.
board,
And they're not bothered also because they know how to memorize.
I know that.
And I do.
I'm a tutor. I know.
And I don't know how to memorize.
Yeah, and I don't know how to make spring memorize things. That's why I told you I need words.
See, don't think I understood this properly, but I got a rough idea.
What you're exactly doing, why you're doing, why you need to do.
Yeah, I understood that something like this exists. This is what I want to know. You know? Okay, so you're trying to say that, okay, there's an x-axis and there's a y-axis, and this.
You also don't know trigonometry, right? You know? So ये tan theta means ये क्या होता है? Angle होता है ना? वो एंगल मतलब अगर मेरे पास एक लाइन है तो मुझे पता करना है कि वो लाइन स्पेस में कैसे है, तो मैं एक्स और वाई ड्रॉ करूँगी, मैं उसे बताऊँगी कि ये लाइन इतने एंगल पे इंक्लाइंड है, मतलब मैं उसे ये ए का वैल्यू दे दूँगी, राइट? तो वो लाइन फिक्स हो जाएगा कि ये एंगल पर है, तो वो ऊपर है या नीचे वो कैसे पता चलेगा कितना ऊपर है कितना नीचे, तो मुझे नेक्स्ट वाला नंबर बताएगा कि वो इतना ऊपर है 0 से या इतना नीचे है 0 से।
But but your line is only on the x-axis, na? No, but it's on the y-axis also. But it's minus.
Yeah, minus.
My God! I don't believe this is like going into another outer space.
Yeah.
1 minute. This is like leaving Earth and going into another space.
No,
outer
it's
space.
mathematics.
Yeah, mathematical space. Mathematical space. Actually, what I'm saying now. So then when you find out, you have to find out x and y, right?
हाँ. Now what is x and y here represent?
हाँ. What does it represent?
It represents any point in itself. अभी मुझे पता है कि ये फिक्स है किसी भी लाइन के लिए और ये फिक्स है, मतलब उसका स्लोप फिक्स है।
ये
और
C क्या है?
C ये है। 0 से वो लाइन y पे कितना कट करता है, अगर वो ऊपर कट करता है तो ये C है, अगर नीचे कट करता है तो ये C है। ओके, गेटिंग? तो अगर मेरे पास एक लाइन है और मैंने आपको बता दिया ये मेरा C है और मेरा लाइन इतने एंगल पे इंक्लाइंड है जो मेरा A है, राइट? तो अभी मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे कोई भी एक पॉइंट दो जो इस लाइन को सेटिस्फाई करता है, ठीक है?
अंडरस्टैंड वेयर दैट लाइन इज।
हाँ, मैंने तुम्हें लाइन बता दिया।
ऑन द लाइन,
हाँ, तो मैंने तुम्हें ये सब बता दिया, अब तुम मुझे ये तो बता सकते हो, राइट? पर अभी तुम मुझे ऐसे स्पेस में नहीं बता सकते हो, राइट? नहीं बता सकते हो स्पेस में, तो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सॉल्व द स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वेशन, राइट? अभी स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वेशन, अभी मेरे पास 2 पॉइंट है, कोई भी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जितने वेरिएबल्स हो गए उतनी इक्वेशंस होनी चाहिए सॉल्व करने के लिए। तो अभी मुझे 2 वेरिएबल्स चाहिए, तो मुझे 2 लाइंस भी चाहिए ना, इक्वेशंस चाहिए मतलब लाइंस चाहिए सॉल्व करने के लिए, क्योंकि नहीं निकाल सकते दूसरा वेरिएबल उसके बाद। जितनी लाइंस होगी, दिस इज द रूल, जितने वेरिएबल्स उतनी लाइंस होनी चाहिए, मतलब उतनी इक्वेशंस होनी चाहिए। नाउ अभी मेरे पास यहाँ पे एक ही लाइन दिख रही है मुझे, राइट? सपोज इसका इक्वेशन ax + by + c है, मुझे दूसरा लाइन नहीं मिल रहा है, मैं कैसे निकालूँ x और y? दिस इज माई सेकंड लाइन। कैन यू टेल मी? I can take any of 2 lines. Either I can take y = 0 as a line, either I can take x = 0 as a line and solve. Now see what happens. If you, I'm just telling you.
That is another line you mean?
हाँ, जो हमारे एक्सेस होते हैं ना, वो भी हमारे लाइंस होते हैं, स्ट्रेट लाइन। और उसकी इक्वेशन क्या होती है? x = 0 और y की क्या होती है? y = 0। और ऐसा क्यों होता है? x = 0 ही क्यों होती है? क्योंकि x वाले पे नहीं कोई भी, दिस इज योर नंबर लाइन 0 1 2 3। अभी ये x एक्सिस पे हमेशा x = 0 ही होगा ना। अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ तो मेरा x का वैल्यू क्या है? 0 है। आपको पता है नंबर लाइन में कैसे पॉइंट्स प्लॉट करते हैं?
माइनस समथिंग, नो?
नहीं, मेरा x का वैल्यू 0 है। ओ नो, या सॉरी, दिस इज y = 0। मेरा y हमेशा 0 रहेगा और दिस इज x = 0। सॉरी। ओके, तो अगर मैंने x = 0 लिया मतलब मैं कौन सी लाइन ले रही हूँ? y लाइन। मतलब मुझे इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट होना चाहिए। मेरा इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट कौन सा था? इन दोनों का इतना है, राइट? मतलब कि ये पॉइंट कौन सा है मेरा? c और 0, सॉरी 0 और c। समझ रहा है? नहीं समझ रहा है तो नो नीड टू गो इन द but then you will be suffering with the solving of equation.
Yes, I can't suffer. But this is so important.
Okay, I'll just tell you, just concentrate. Okay, no, not that I understood, but not that I can remember what you said. I can't remember, but I get it, you know. Okay, I get what this is. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग पॉइंट कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं, x और y. तो यहाँ पे अगर मेरा इतना c है, मतलब यहाँ तक मेरा c है ना, तो मेरा y का वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितना होगा? इतना मेरा c है, तो y का वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितना होगा इस पॉइंट पे? c होगा, क्योंकि 0 से c तक ही है. और x मेरा क्या है इस पॉइंट पे? x हमेशा 0 होता है, तो 0 है. तो अब अभी मतलब ये और ये लाइन का मैं इंटरसेक्शन मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए? 0 और c मिलना चाहिए. तो मुझे इस मेथड से मिल रहा है कि नहीं, जो हमने अभी सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया था हमारा, x = 0 हमारा वैल्यू मिल गया, सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. तो मैंने क्या किया, x = 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, तो मेरा by + c = 0 है. तो मुझे y क्या मिल रहा है? -c/b. मुझे -c/b. तो अभी मुझे मिल रहा है या नहीं? मतलब यहाँ पे b मेरा कांस्टेंट है, जो मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं लिया, मैंने सिंपली वेट में लिया. बट b का वैल्यू वैसे एडजस्ट होगा, -1 ऐसे एडजस्ट हो ही जाएगा कि तुम्हें y एग्जैक्टली c मिलेगा, जो तुम्हें यहाँ पे चाहिए. मतलब दिस इज माई ग्राफिकल वे एंड दिस इज माई मैथमेटिक्स.
Important to teach students the graphical representation, you know.
ओके, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली, तो आप जब भी 2 लाइन सॉल्व करते हो, आप एक्चुअली निकालते हो कि वो स्पेस में कहाँ पे है. ठीक है, हाँ. तो इसीलिए आपको हमेशा सॉल्व करने के लिए 2 चाहिए होती है जब आपको x और y निकालना होता है, राइट. यू विल फाइंड दैट यू जनरली हैव two dimensional. In 1 dimension you need only one line, one variable and one equation, because 1 dimension only one variable, right?
X or y.
2 dimensional is that's it. I'll tell you the second method.
Okay. You can leave one page and go to this one, because that page will just leave if I want to write something.
Okay, nice. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ये निकाला कि कितने सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. हाँ, नाउ सी दिस इज ओनली डिफरेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट? इट इज गिवन हियर, डोंट वरी.
It doesn't matter if it's given there, doesn't help me.
Okay.
If you tell me na, then I understand.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
And then I have to write it down.
ठीक है. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि नो सॉल्यूशन रहेगा और इनफाइनाइट रहेगा और यूनिक रहेगा, मतलब वन सॉल्यूशन रहेगा. तो जब नो सॉल्यूशन होता है ना, तो जो 2 इक्वेशन हमने सॉल्व किया और उसको नो सॉल्यूशन आया ना, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि वो इक्वेशन क्या है? इनकंसिस्टेंट है. इनकंसिस्टेंट इक्वेशन, 2 इक्वेशंस है, उसे सॉल्व किया, मुझे कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिला, वो इक्वेशन इनकंसिस्टेंट है. मैंने उसे सॉल्व किया, मुझे इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस मिले, तो वो इक्वेशन क्या है? कंसिस्टेंस है. और ये कैसे पता करेंगे हम लोग? अभी हमने पता किया था इसे. तो अभी उसने वही क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि इससे पता करो कि इक्वेशन कंसिस्टेंट है या नहीं है. तो अगर नो सॉल्यूशन आया तो हम क्या करेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे? नो सॉल्यूशन में इक्वेशन इनकंसिस्टेंट है. और इनफाइनाइट में आया तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि इक्वेशन कंसिस्टेंट है.
To make it inconsistent, I have to have a1/a2 is equal to b1/b2 and is not equal to c1/c2. C1 C2 always has to be there.
Yeah, it has to be there.
But
if it is not given, means it's 0.
And if a1/a2 is not equal to b1/b2 but is equal to c1/c2, still it is not consistent.
ठीक है.
If a1/a2 is not equal to b1/b2,
बस पहली कंडीशन में पता चलेगा कि वन यूनिक सॉल्यूशन.
then it doesn't matter whether c1 c2 is equal or not.
Yes. Okay. अभी हम लोग
Actually, no.
see 3.2 ना is all graphically. Okay, it's all graphically. You want to go through the question and tell, ask me if you don't get any, because आपको
So graphical is most important, I feel.
हाँ, तो आप मैंने आपको बता दिया. अभी आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक बार पढ़ लो. आपको पढ़.
But I don't know to do it.
So you want me to do this?
Yes.
You want me to do this? Okay. Okay. Now see.
You have time?
I have time. You don't have time.
I have time, but I don't. Anyway, I have to pay for that. But what is the time
You
now?
can come later also.
Yeah, I can come later also.
Without money, if you just.
No,
wanted to-
not without. No, but you have guests coming, right?
Actually, I have guest coming also, and actually my brother's admission is going. So tomorrow 8:30 I have to leave, so I have to go and take printout of forms. But I'll go at 9 o'clock. It's okay.
Okay, so we have like 1 hour 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
No, actually more than that.
7:20. We have 1.5 hours left.
Okay,
But
thank
you have
God.
to do that other PDF also.
Yes.
That's why. So if you want me, I can directly go to solve.
No, I want
आपको
to
वो
do-
PDF पे आज ही करना है.
वो PDF दूसरा दिन करना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, बिकॉज फिर एक भी चीज़ में आपको अच्छे से नहीं समझ में आएगा.
हाँ, तो we'll do
अब
only
वो
one.
तो फिर we have enough of time.
Thank God.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll go to the
You
question.
explain too well. I mean, this is not something that can, you can just run through.
Yeah, actually, maths is not the thing you can run. Okay.
And because you're explaining, my God, man, what is going on? I don't even know what is going on. I mean, why did this SSC board do this? Yeah.
I don't know, but basically the reason is that here people are more percentage oriented than the.
So even if they are percentage oriented, if you do like this, then you will get
I
high
don't know the
percentage.
memorize the thing because I was in a class. वहाँ पे वो लोग क्या करते थे? Just as you said, directly start with the equations, directly start with the things, and know how the method is going to be there.
Because I don't know any other way.
You are not from the मतलब you are not from the field,
Yes.
but teachers को तो पता होना चाहिए ना how to teach mathematics.
Yeah, they don't
They
know.
don't know. They don't know. They memorize things.
Because people like me only become the teachers, I think.
I don't know.
Or slightly better than me at memorizing.
So they memorize it.
What is something is twisted here in Bombay, don't you think?
Not something. Everything is twisted.
Everything.
If you want to do
It's
science
so
and
straightforward.
mathematics, see, Bombay education is good when you want to do the professional courses. But when you do this pure science courses like biology,
science,
chemistry,
pure science.
physics, mathematics, Mumbai is the
Then,
worst.
then what profession you're talking about?
Professional courses like of commerce, of management,
Yeah.
like that.
Management, yes. How to,
Mumbai
how
is
to
very
put
good,
the
very
other
good.
person down, how to play politics,
It's very good.
Yeah.
Mumbai is very good.
how to just,
Not pure
shout the
science.
other person down.
Yeah, so it's very good. Mumbai is very good for
You're
that.
right.
Yeah.
Pure science, they don't know and they have no value for it. They don't care about it.
No, very few
They
universities
don't
are
care about the truth here.
No, they don't care.
Yeah.
11, 12 student I have saw. And this is a fact because you can
What
see
about
when
Gujarat? How is Gujarat?
I am not from Gujarat. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am Gujarati, but I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Yes. But do you know how the condition is in Gujarat as far as these things?
Not
What
that
do you
way.
think? No, thank you.
चाहिए?
मेरे पास है क्या?
I don't know about Gujarat, but
You
I
must be
personally.
knowing.
No, I have never been to Gujarat. I am basic. I am a Gujarati from Madhya Pradesh, born and brought up in Madhya Pradesh.
You're so loyal to Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, I mean because I love Madhya Pradesh. The education system, everything is fabulous. But the only point is there is no value for the Madhya Pradesh board. Same percentage. वहाँ पे percentage based study नहीं होती है. And यहाँ पे percentage based study
Combine
होती है.
both, na?
Yeah.
This and that.
No, but their percentage is very high. There you see 95 in 12 is a toppers, 95 for
Madhya
12
Pradesh.
science, PCM.
So there is percentage also.
Yeah, but I don't know why, for what reason.
No, they do marketing.
Probably
They act
also.
as if everybody else is stupid and
And
they
they-
with zero inside, they are like, somewhere else altogether. And they turn you into trash.
Yeah.
They good at trashing you.
Christian है क्या?
Yes. No, you got it right, man. And when did you come to this great Bombay city?
5 years back when I passed out my 12th and then discovered, oh my god, I'm a shit.
No, but then after 12th you managed the
Because
degree.
I was a student who used to study from books, not teacher. So it does not matter.
So you're amazing, huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
That's why you left it, yeah.
Now let's get back. Okay.
And UP is hopeless, no?
No, UP is good in studies. UP is good in pure science.
This situation is so bad.
Yeah, crowd-wise it's bad, but study-wise UP is good.
They, the person who's teaching me is Mr. Yadav, but he's from Haryana.
Yeah.
So the Yadavs in UP are different from the Yadavs in Haryana.
Yeah, others are actually basically all from UP only, but maybe he is
Migrated like you migrated to
yeah.
UP. Actually, they have brains, no? But
Yeah, UP people are.
but why only their hearts are not good, I think, no? Just the way they are raping and all.
Yeah.
And the Dalits, how they suppress.
Yeah, the way of thinking is all backward. The way they think is backward, but they are very intelligent.
Brains.
They have brains.
I don't understand how that's possible.
It's possible. It's India. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. Now there's a very. अभी हम लोगों ने ये दो questions तो कर लिया. I have told you how to do it.
Have you done it? Okay.
Okay. We have just to tell here whether it is point solution, parallel, or coincident. I told you the equations.
Yes,
Conditions.
but did we solve all of them?
So we want to solve every of them. We have all this thing to do.
Yes, but I would
We
like
solved
to
just
at
one.
least, but okay.
Just like try the
Yeah,
third
because
one.
if I don't do na, it's very good.
तो 12th पास किया, क्या करा?
नहीं 40 साल की 42 years.
हाँ, उन्होंने
क्योंकि 12th પાસ કર્યું છે ને.
હા અરે પણ એમને છે ને બાયોલોજીમાં કર્યું છે બટ શી ઇઝ નોટ ગેટિંગ જોબ.
ગુજરાતીમાં કેમ છે મને મારે.
હા તો એમને છે ને એમને બાયોલોજીથી કર્યું છે 12th, પણ એમને છે ને હવે જોબ જોઈએ છે. તો જોબમાં જનરલી જોબ કેમને મળે જેમને કમ્પ્યુટર્સ આવડતું હોય એ કમ્પ્યુટર્સમાં કોર્સ કરવા માટે એમને મેથેમેટિક્સ કમ્પલસરી જોઈએ.
ઓ એવું છે.
હા, સો ફોર ધેટ એ મેથેમેટિક્સ શી સ્ટાર્ટેડ આઉટ. I mean, seriously, salute to you. You are starting.
God salute to you. What start કર્યું આપણે ભણવાનું?
હા, that's a big thing.
After 11th standard I did maths.
11th એમને કર્યું છે maths, પણ after this
and I am not going to do maths after 12th. Only till 12th I am doing maths. For computers you don't need maths. Only the 12th maths you need. So tell her that also. Then she will think that I am going to progress in maths now.
No. મતલબ એટલે 12th માં તને જવા માટે 12th સુધી maths જોઈએ ને, right?
હા.
For that she is doing.
હા. Otherwise no.
પણ આટલા વર્ષ પછી અમે ભણવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું એ તો બહુ
That's
સારું
great.
કહેવાય.
Good thing. You have started after so many years studying back.
હા એ તો બહુ
And that
સારું
also
કહેવાય.
with the maths, which is a different field.
But I just started now. Now let's
You
see where I am
started. You
going.
need guts. You need guts to start also.
બહુ સારી વાત છે. આપણે
Time.
આટલા વર્ષ પછી કરવું આપણાથી તો થાય નહીં.
She cannot do. She said she cannot do after this many years. She also of the same age.
But she brought up children and so many things. No, I'm not doing all that. I'm not married.
Okay. Acha.
She focused on something else altogether.
Yeah, she was very dream. She wanted to be a doctor, but she could not because in the Jew we don't support her. Means actually she was very
brains.
believing.
See, you got
But
the brains.
only problem with her was that she migrated from Gujarat to Maharashtra, and that time in Maharashtra there was only language of Marathi, and she has studied from Gujarat. So
Poor thing, no?
for that she left after 11.
Poor thing, no?
Yeah, but now she can even talk in English, and I mean not talk in English, but she can understand English. She watches
It doesn't
movies in
matter
English.
whether she can understand English or not. What matters is she's got a brain.
She was a very good brain. Yeah, and her whole maternal family, she is considered as an intelligent person. But she could not further.
Okay, you are intelligent, so that's one proof.
No.
Yeah.
Because when she used to do math, science in her 11, 12, till 11 she did, no? At that time.
Yes.
She used to understand, her professor used to tell about it. Then after that also, that's what I'm telling you. She left in 11, but still she reads science mathematics books now, today. She's so much interested in science. But the only problem is sometimes you don't get into the English thing. So, but if you give her a Hindi book, oh my god, she can complete a book in a night.
એક જ વસ્તુ જવાબ સવારે વહેલા નીકળવાના તમે લોકો.
8:30.
નાસ્તો શું કરશો તમે સવારે? ભાખરી બનાવી દઈશું ચાલશે?
ચાલશે.
ભાખરી નખાણું ખાઈ લઈશ? હે? તો બ્રેડ લાવું જામને બ્રેડ ખાઈશ.
સવારે કઈ બી નાસ્તો બનાવી દેજો આવીને હું જમી શકું.
બોલો ને હર્ષિલ બંને.
હર્ષનું નહીં ખબર મારું ખબર હું આપી દેવાનું.
What book she reads in one night and what book exactly?
Any book.
Textbook?
I mean not textbook because textbook you have to, but when there is any theoretical science पता है ना जैसे सिर्फ facts हो और ये हो, she can read. Madam, she is so much interested now. If you give her book now, she won't sleep unless this what happened like 3-4 days back. She slept in the 5 in the morning. She was reading a book. Oh my god! Next day my father was like, which book? She was reading some historical book that day. But when you give science book now, she can. So my father was
historical book, but that much of interest is there.
that is important.
Yeah.
Like 5 in the
Book, she
morning,
likes the book.
she wakes up at the 7 o'clock in the morning, and then she sleeping next day at 5 o'clock in the
And then
morning.
she has to do all the
All
work
the
after
work.
that.
So
See,
my
even
father
I did that
next
yesterday, but
day,
then whole
she
day I was asleep.
suffered. She suffered. My father said, "Who told you to do that all?" But she's so much interested, so much. When she's still at this age, when she is reading the newspaper also now, you are sitting next to her and calling her, she won't know. But just literally push her. Come on, mom.
But at least you are doing well.
Yeah, so she wants me to do it more. She wants me to do foreign for this.
Do what for it?
I mean, go foreign and do PhD. She wants me to do that. But it's very difficult.
It's very difficult, but you're very good.
No, but this is my 12th standard. Huh.
And
This is
who
the
are
12th standard. Till 12th, but after I came to Mumbai now, I
Your
lost
level has
so
gone down.
Very, very,
Yes.
very
Now
low.
to get your level back, you have to go abroad.
Yeah, but for that I have to prepare also for 1 year staying in India. I have to prepare because
Prepare.
वो level मुझे
You
वापस-
prepare, my sweetheart. You go to Madhya Pradesh and you prepare. You do whatever you need, but because don't lower your level, because
Yeah.
your level is not this marketing level.
Yeah,
This is vyapari level, businessman, right?
yeah.
Yours is that Brahmin level.
very
This
high,
is
but yeah.
this is shopkeeper level is going on here, right or wrong?
In Mumbai, yeah.
Yes,
Sorry.
shopkeepers.
Okay.
The cover up for
But
their
they're appreciating me a lot. I'm not
No,
that very
Hey,
studious.
Baba, I have met so many people. I know na.
But I know in my field I'm nobody. In my field, I'm nobody. I don't know about Mumbai, but yeah, when I have friends from
You mean there are
outside
people
Mumbai.
who are more intelligent than you in Madhya Pradesh?
In Madhya Pradesh, overall India, except I have friends
Yes.
from overall India,
Yes.
especially the South Indians and Bengalis are super duper. In
Yeah?
this, Bengalis and South Indians in this pure science.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Yeah, I feel like a duffer before them. So you can imagine the level. Yeah, you can imagine.
But your way of explanation is much better. We are more egoistic. I
yeah,
wouldn't be able to learn from one of them. God promise.
Okay.
Your way of explaining is sweeter.
Okay, probably.
I
I
put
don't
sugar in the food, na?
know. We don't know.
No, I went to
I
Mahabaleshwar
am
and
a
they gave us
Gujarati,
sweet.
I am a
And they
Gujarati,
gave us
but
sweet
I am
food.
from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya
They
Pradesh
gave us
Gujarati-
sweet food. It was very nice. A thali was sweet.
Yeah, we Gujarati generally put good.
Yes.
But see, I am from Madhya Pradesh, so there we have this trend of eating very spicy things. I am a different kind of a Gujarati. Never have visited Gujarat.
Amazing.
Okay, so here, okay. Now
Yeah,
tell me
you
about
go
third.
about it, yeah.
Okay, what is my A1 here?
3 by 2.
What is my A2?
5 by
A2.
Sorry. 4 by 3.
A2.
Sorry. Okay, this is A1, right? And A2 is 5 by 3.
A2.
Okay.
My standard equation is ax plus by plus c. So you have given me my a1 for the first line. What is my a for the second line?
Okay, I get it. Wait. A2 is 4 by 3.
This side of the equation. Yeah.
Sorry.
अजी वार लागছে ना सने
Second line is is 9.
Yeah, correct. What is my b1 and b2?
Your B1 and B2. Okay. It's B1 is 5.
5.
5 by 3.
Then
Sorry. I'm
it's
so
okay.
sorry.
It's okay. I'm enjoying teaching you.
No, you don't know. Okay, and B2 is 10. 1 minute. B2 minus 10.
Yes.
Oh,
What is my
okay.
c1 and c2?
Okay. One minute, I'll tell you.
Mine
What
is my c.
minus 7.
Yeah, correct. Exactly. You got it here. Then
Minus 14.
okay. Now tell me. I'm telling you the ratios. It is my 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. That is my. You know how to take it up?
Kind of, yeah.
No, not kind of. You know it or not?
Now I understood what you're saying.
This is 3 by 2. This is my 9 by 1. How to take it up? 3 by 2. 1 goes to up and this 9.
Yes.
मतलब डिवीजन अगर इनटू में होता है तो नीचे वाला रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है ऊपर का नीचे समझ में आया
Yes.
ओके व्हाट इज दिस माय 3 1 जा 3 जा 1 by 6 व्हाट इज दिस रेशियो 5 by 3 into
I will tell. Into minus 1 by 10.
exactly what I'll get here minus
1 by
6
Okay.
मुझे दूसरा कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत है क्या इन दोनों से मुझे कुछ पता चलता है
Let me see. This is equal to this. No, 1 minute. No, it's 1 minute. 1 by 6 is not equal to 1 by minus 1 by 6.
तो मुझे क्या पता चलता है
And hence there is a unique solution.
एंड मैंने क्या बताया था यूनिक सॉल्यूशन के लिए हम लोग इनकंसिस्टेंट और कंसिस्टेंट
It's 1 minute. And when there's a unique solution, it is consistent, no?
consistent
Yeah. But actually, you did not tell me about unique solution.
Yeah, I didn't tell you. But when only when it is no solution, you tell it as inconsistent. Let me check once.
You know, I really feel like solving all those sums, but we don't
Yeah,
have time.
single point. See, I'll mark this. Single point, unique solution, consistent pair, parallel lines.
You can mark it single point.
Okay, single point, consistent. Parallel lines means no solution, means inconsistent. Coincident lines mean infinitely many solution. Again,
But actually, solving these equations are helping me.
okay. So here it is just given if you want to go back and look.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can do
I just
all
wait.
other problems.
No, I can't. I want to do it with you. Okay.
But then you will be able to do only one exercise, dear.
Really?
You have many other things here. See, if
Okay, then
see,
should I
if
do it
money
for
is
homework?
problem now, but if you are interested now, you can come.
No, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. I'm sorry.
No, but if you are interested, I'm like,
So
I
what
like
if I'm
to,
interested?
I like to tell
I know
whether
you
should-
like. You're very sweet. Very thanks a lot, but I can't. What I'm doing, what I'm saying, at least one I will do. My
So
by
that what
myself.
you did, right?
No, this you did.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, then just I will tell you one question and
Yeah.
you'll be able to do all. So
Yeah, that way,
just
that way.
don't do everything.
Yeah. That's how the other position is. And the remaining I'll do for homework.
Mm-hmm. But some are harder, hence you cannot do it. Okay,
Easy
just
ones.
tell me about fourth. You tell me whether it is what solution it has, and also tell me the answer by substitution method. Okay.
One by 2 by 4, yeah?
Hmm.
One by 2. D1 by D2 is equal to 1 by 2. And D1 by D2 is minus D1 by D2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4. Okay. So minus and minus becomes plus, no?
Cancels.
Okay, cancels. So it's plus 1 by 2.
Okay, if you don't know this, then remember this for
So
everything.
this is equal. 1 minute. This is equal.
Yeah.
This
No
is
one
equal.
will.
So we have to see C1, C2 also. C1 by C2.
Yeah, exactly.
Minus 2 by, this is minus 5, right?
Hmm.
By minus 5. So it's not equal to this. Hence, wait. So it will become, if it were EA, if it all were equal, then it will be infinite solutions. If it was unequal, then it is unique solution. No. If one is equal, one is unequal, then it is inconsistent. It is no solution. Because one side is equal and the other side is not equal.
Exactly.
If all are unequal, then it is, then we don't even have to check. Only for the first one we will check. And if all are equal, then it is the same line. Yes.
Okay, now I want to just tell you about the sign if you don't know. When you multiply to minus or when you divide to minus, it goes to plus. You know this?
Yes.
Same. When you do, and when you have plus into minus, or you have minus, plus divided by minus, or you have, this is your one thing, it goes to
Minus.
You know this? And again, yeah, same with the minus and plus, minus and plus. But when you have plus, it goes to plus.
You should check out the video of how Mr. Yadav taught me on Facebook.
Okay.
Have you on Facebook?
Yeah, I'm on Facebook. Okay. So he also explains this all
No,
thing.
he explains a little differently, but then you know how the IITN explains.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
now when plus and plus goes, it goes to
Plus.
plus. Minus and minus goes, then it goes to
Minus and minus, it will
means you are adding to minus thing, means you are adding like minus and minus. It goes to minus. Only into and division at level by. बाकी प्लस और माइनस में जो रहेगा ना वही रहेगा. अगेन यहाँ पे एक और आता है अगर प्लस नो माइनस एंड माइनस बिकम्स प्लस इफ यू इनटू इट नो सी
minus 4
See,
plus
see.
minus 4 minus
4 plus minus 4 is what?
minus 8.
And what is minus 4 plus 15?
Plus 50.
1 5 15 plus 15 minus 4.
Minus 4 plus 15 is this thing plus 11.
Okay, and if I have plus 4 minus 15.
Plus 4 minus 15 is minus 11.
Okay, so you know यहाँ पे
Yes.
plus minus में higher value takes the sign.
Okay. All that I know. Thank God.
You were just confused, so I thought you don't know.
Just
I
for a
thought you
moment, you know.
confused.
Yeah, I was. Just
Okay.
for a moment.
Okay, so now you know. Now 4, 5 and 6 are difficult. You want to solve me right now? It will take much time.
No. Difficult ones I don't want to solve. No, I think one I solved, so that's enough. No? So which ones I'll do for homework?
Huh. 2, 3 and 4 you just did.
But
One
can
for
you
each.
just stick that? Can you just stick that?
2, 3 and 6. इसमें से एक हमने अभी कर लिया.
Okay.
Very simple. You just have to tell unique, no or infinite solutions. You can do all of them.
One minute, right?
It is written here.
Yeah, it says 3.2, 2, 3 and 4. Check whether it is unique or unique or no solution
Or infinite.
or infinite.
हाँ और उसका सबका अलग अलग
I
है.
want to ask you now the exercise 3.2.
हाँ.
What about exercise 3.1?
हाँ. Okay. Now 1 minute. I'll go to 3.1. Now अभी 1 मुझे इतना बताओ कि आपको पता है कि अगर आपको पॉइंट्स दिए हैं तो लाइंस कैसे ड्रॉ करनी है ग्राफ में.
Points है तो.
हाँ.
हाँ.
पता है आपको.
मैंने किया है I think long back.
हाँ. तो मतलब अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि एक
इक्वेशन
है आपके पास, मैं आपको इक्वेशन देती हूँ तो आपको पता है कि x और y पुट करके लाइन कैसे बनाते
I
हैं.
would love to do that, but I probably
Okay.
have not.
No. Okay,
Yeah.
so we will do this 1, 5
It's like
and 6
practice.
later. Okay. Okay, and so अभी ये लाइंस का पार्ट नहीं है, ये कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का पार्ट है. तो मैं अभी आपको वो पढ़ाऊंगी तो you will lose the track of your lines.
That is coordinate geometry.
हाँ, so you will mess up with the
I
things.
like this the word coordinate geometry because I don't even know now. Like see like see
Here.
matrix algebra. Matrix algebra is a term, you know. I didn't know existed.
Now in 3.1, what you have to do, you have to make equations and you also have to represent it graphically. You will be able to do it there.
But it would be lovely to do it.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Let's try with a simple one. Okay.
Present equation graphically.
Okay.
I mean that is the basic of understanding.
Okay, I'll tell you very simple thing.
Yes.
See, अगर हम लोग कोई भी commodities, अगर मैं कोई भी दो चीज़ की बात करती हूँ तो हम लोग मैथ्स में उसको एक x को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और एक y को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. अगर दोनों चीज़ें अलग अलग है तो, अगर दोनों चीज़ें सेम है तो हम दोनों का x से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ठीक है? I'll tell you. Now I'll say I have okay. Now you make me the equations. Okay. I say I have apples and I have mangoes.
Okay.
I say I have number of apples I have is 4 times more than the number of mangoes I have. What is my equation? First you need to assign variables to apples and mangoes.
Yes, number of apples is.
So first tell me what you assign to what.
Okay, number of apples is
Suppose x.
x.
Okay, you say my apples are x. And what is my mangoes?
Y.
Because they are two different quantities. Now what I say, the number of apples I have is 4 times more than whatever number of mangoes I have. So means मेरे पास जितना y है,
Y is equal to 4x.
है ना?
X is
4
equal to
times more. It's not 4 times. It's 4 times more. There is two different words. When I say 4 times means you have to multiply. When I say 4 times more means you have to add. Got it? This is the mathematical language.
Apples is.
Okay, simple. If I say my number of apples is twice the number of mangoes, what is the equation? So how do you rewrite the equation?
Number of
Apples is twice the. Okay, now I say my number of my 3 times the apple. 3 times the apple. What is my apple? 3 times the apple. Write the equation for 3 times the apple.
Number of apples is 3 times the number of mangoes.
No, I'm not telling. I'm just telling 3 times of my apple. What is my apple right now? X. What is my 3 times? 3x.
Yeah.
Is 4 more than the twice of my mango. How I write the equation?
Okay, it's 4 more.
Then the twice of my mangoes. So
Okay.
what is my twice of mangoes? First write that.
Twice of mangoes is 2y.
And my number of 3 times my apples is my 4 more than the twice of my mango.
Yeah. Plus
Correct. So you
So
got
then
it.
for 4 more I can write, but 4 times.
No, not more times. Okay, 4 more.
4 more is fine.
Okay. So here.
I get it.
Okay. Can you tell me the third equation? Third thing. The cost of my apples, 2 kg of apples, 1 kg of grapes on a day was 160. Okay, this is very actually
difficult, huh?
Yeah, it's a
No
difficult right now.
need. See, our main goal is to go into those main.
Because in this you have to know its time factor is involved. Means you have to know after how many years you are. इतना नहीं आएगा.
Mainly we want to do 12th standard bus.
In
In 12th standard, yeah. Only 12th standard what will come, yeah. Only to be able to do the 12th standard and just to pass.
But it means you need to write exam of
12th standard.
all this. You need to
I won't get these questions.
So what questions are you going to get? What is the 12th syllabus?
Yeah, that is what I want to show you. This is my dog and cat unit, part 1. See, this is the syllabus. I will show you the question papers also when I get it.
So why are you doing all this? Okay, only do fine.
This is part 1 and then this part 2. Part 2 also I want to show you.
You know these derivatives and
I don't know anything.
You're gonna suffer.
I know that.
My brother also have the same problem. I was telling him that I'm actually
He's in CBSE. He's in CBSE.
He's in CBSE.
It's so difficult, yeah, I tell you. He's in the 12th standard.
He cleared his 12th standard last year, but he was also very not good with mathematics
Yes.
because he actually met with an accident during that year. So he lost the track.
So now he's doing 12th again.
No, he's not doing because he lost already 1 year in the bed rest.
Huh.
His leg was.
Yeah, I understand. So what is he doing now? Well,
He is now applying for IT and CS, BSc IT or CS.
but he's finished the 12th, no?
He scored. He cleared it, but not with very good percentage because he was not clear with all things.
I know, but still he passed, no? But I'm telling you, this is so difficult, you know. I mean, a person if he's going to do physics, chemistry, biology, there's no way in a 1,000 years that he'll do maths. Also, because it's so difficult that matrices itself is so difficult to understand.
Yeah.
No?
Okay. So you don't need to know this. Okay, I got it. What you want to do?
Yeah. Now you
So
got
you
it.
know. Okay. Fine.
Yes. Now you got it. I don't have to explain.
Okay. So like. Okay. So you just have to do this 3 question. Whatever I told you.
Yes.
Substitution method you just did. Okay.
Oh, yes, I do substitute.
Now you just solve this question.
So that was 3.1. So we don't need. Okay, now
3.1 we don't need.
Yeah. And let us just see how many other 3. How much is there? This 3.9 is there?
You just write the equation and just see and just tell me substitution for solve this equation by substitution. See whenever you need to solve any equation and see ये आपको तो है नहीं 12th में matrices और determinants में भी है तो अगर substitution पे भी आपका अच्छा grasp है ना तो you don't need to know the other methods, okay because ultimately you have the equation and to solve it.
Just give me a brief intro on
Definitely
that.
I'll give you
Because
don't
when
tell about it.
IIT, when he talks about that, I should speak that I know.
Of course you should.
Okay, 3 is like 2.
Other people also come with you?
I'm alone. I go to IIT.
Oh, he give you private tuition?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's
Only once a week. Last time he took, tomorrow I'm going. Last time, only one class.
What's his name? He's retired?
Shashikant Yadav. And he's a PhD guy. He's doing his PhD and he's 28 years old.
Okay,
And he's
I
done
know.
4 years PhD is going on. 1.5 years is left.
Oh
And
my God.
he lives on the campus.
IT college is very good, huh?
It's the best, man.
I know that I
You
never
must do
got a
it.
chance.
You
I
must
never
do
got
it.
a chance.
You must do it.
Yeah.
You do
I-
it.
Yeah,
You're the
but-
best because it's comparable to the best in the world. If you
Yeah.
ever pass the IIT, na, you will get like money flowing, man.
I know.
You understood? So people who
But,
have really should get
let
that.
me tell you one thing. In my branch, and I am doing physics, right? So in my branch, IIT is not considered a good option for the physics. Can you imagine that?
I'm telling you,
No,
it's the
no,
best.
the level is not good there for physics. I'm talking about physics, not about mathematics.
It is not good, but it is the best and the best, I tell you.
I know. Campus
I
is
mean, I
very
just
decent.
worship IITs. I'm telling you, it's the best in the world. Like, see, like even medical colleges in India, like AIIMS and all is the best. You can't compare it to
This campus is very big.
you can't compare the AIIMS or medical college who are the best to the best in the world. They are given the same importance. Just get.
Because we love going there. Right?
Yeah, I'm not even. I don't deserve to be there. I'm just going there like a tramp.
But you got a very good chance, you know. You got a
Lucky,
very
no?
good chance. Yeah,
I
very
got.
lucky.
I'm so cheap, na.
Yeah, obviously
I told
100.
him. I told him that.
Very good, very good.
I mean, thank God. Yeah, it's like God's
He
blessing.
likes teaching, I guess. He likes teaching.
He
very much.
teaches. They've got a thing called Ageshika that is also there on Facebook. He's also there on Facebook. He teaches some kids for free.
Means he likes teaching that much, and he's.
Not because he likes, because they're good people. They're very
means
intelligent.
that
They're not
is
like tera types. So they just want to help society a bit, yeah. They got a pure intelligence. He's doing chemical engineering.
It's true. Chemical engineers. And he's teaching me mathematics. Awesome. Okay, so
Awesome,
tell me.
awesome. And he's from Korea. Okay, so how many are there? 3x by 2 minus 5y by, and that's taken to 3 hours. 4 hours, 4 hours.
And you really need to work hard to get clear the exam. When is your exam?
It was supposed to be in October. Now I changed my mind to March because I'll never in a
You
million
won't be
years.
able to because
No.
you are very. You're not
Very slow. I'm very slow.
very
Say it, say it.
No. You're not good at it because you are a new student, right?
Yeah.
You are studying like 11th, and you have to cover 2 years thing in a 1 year.
And I have not done CBSE syllabus, na?
But it does not make that difference.
It makes a huge difference. CBSE,
I don't know about. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably for Maharashtra board, CBSE is a bit tough. But I'm telling you, my Madhya Pradesh was some.
For y'all it's different, but for us it makes a huge difference.
Why she is telling CBSE, CBSE? अगर आपने किया है तो आपको नहीं problem होना चाहिए. हाँ, but now I understand the
It's
way
totally
they
different.
taught you is very.
Levels and also I knew now to 12th I'm going to drop maths. So you know what I did in the level? For everybody to hear, I wrote it down on the wall, the tan theta and all those formulae, because I couldn't mug up. So in the wall where I was going to sit, I knew the previous day I'm going to sit here. I wrote it all down. As soon as I got the paper, I wrote all the equations. Then I solved it. Because I couldn't. I can't memorize it.
That's actually the. That's actually everybody do it. If they know in 12th they are going to drop the subject.
Yeah.
They don't study that subject.
Yeah. So
But
that
that's
was
good.
also. That's not good because
Because
nobody
some
taught us
other-
maths. See, thank God I dropped maths in the 12th, you know, because I would not be able to do my physics, chemistry, biology with this big ton on my head. Because they have not taught us well.
How is your biology?
Everything else is good.
So why didn't you pursue your career in biology? I mean, biology is
My sweetheart, I'm a dentist, but I was abroad for 10 years. I was doing very well, but here I'm unemployed because.
So you came back then.
No, there were 10 years. I went when I was 24 years. I came back 4 years back because I was taught my own clinic and everything. But I was only problem was I was like, UAE. I was in UAE. I was not in the US. So you have to come back.
Okay.
When you come back, you get screwed here because people have become smarter and shrewder here, and you are your. This has become like Kalyug, okay? This is Kalyug, and you are in another time, and they will you get robbed, you get beaten up, anything can happen to you. You can get, and the older you get, you can't adjust. Then after that, you can't adjust.
And when you are returned from abroad, definitely things in India is very shit. You feel like a shit, right? There, people, their mindset, the way they think. So I'm actually making loss of so much of time.
No, but that's okay. Because this is also important. Fine. So substitution method, yeah? I know I have to write the other equation. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So what I want to ask you is, how many are there? 3.3 and how many are there? Even if other than
3.6.
3.6. Other than
3.7.
Oh my God.
Optional. But you don't need to do that much.
Fine. Other than substitution method, there is factorization.
And then you just just show me this method.
Yes, I just want to ask you, is factorization also a
Cross
method?
yeah.
That is also one of the methods. So there are 4 methods in all.
Factorization, substitution, cross multiplication. I don't remember the name. Elimination.
Okay, so there are these 4, huh? Yeah, so
Out of
whichever,
this?
whichever is good you teach me, huh? Not that I have to stick to substitution.
Okay.
Whichever is simple, huh? So this, what I will do in this case, okay, you are telling me to do substitution, fine, I'll do that. X by 3 is equal to 13 by 6 minus y by 2, correct? Or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to take this upstairs here. Okay. So x is equal to 3 by 13 minus. I have complicated it? Yeah.
You are taking LCM. So you are taking LCM.
I have to do the LCM properly. I don't know how to take 6 and 2. Take a common. So that's 2.
Do you want me to show you how you do LCM? You factorize this and then you multiply everything. The highest common thing.
You have to take the highest common, yeah? So not 2.
Not two.
So 3.
सिंपलर वे में बताऊँ
हाँ.
अगर टू के टेबल में 6 आता है तो 6 2 के टेबल में आता है तो 6 हम लोग हाईएस्ट नंबर है इसलिए हम लोग 6 लिखेंगे. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 6 आएगा 3 तो ऊपर जाके क्या हो जाएगा 3y तो 13 माइनस और यहाँ पे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 1 ही मल्टीप्लाई करेगा 13 ही रहेगा. But that is not the correct way. You need to know the LCM. You know how to calculate it. This is not the way. LCM कैसे calculate करते हैं? Remember? You need to know. But approximately में गड़बड़ होता है. We lose a marks in 12th. You need to know to show the step. पर अगर आप calculation wrong करोगे तो what you'll do? you gonna lead all this thing in 12th, everything.
Yes, but now I got it right now till here.
Okay.
Here is correct. No?
Yeah.
So x is equal to 6 is 18. And
Oh, 6 visa, it's a division.
oh, sorry. Okay. So 13 minus 3y
By 2.
by 2.
Okay. Now you got the value, now substitute. Don't complicate it further.
Yeah, I am good at computing. Okay. So 3 30 minus 3y by 2 divided by 2. Okay. Minus 5y by 3 minus 2. So
यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोला था, डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कैसे जाएगा,
into 1 by 2. No?
तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, नीचे वाला 4 हो जाएगा.
Yeah. Equal to minus 2. Yeah? So this
Okay. Yes.
yes. So now 13 minus 3y by 4.
Into 3. Now we are understanding that as you go further, your equations begin complicated.
Yes.
Okay.
This is
So
what I always do.
at this time, substitution is not good.
Correct.
Okay. So you
Yes.
need another method.
Yes.
Now I'll show you another method.
See how well you explained. You showed me why you shouldn't do substitution.
So now I'll
Let me
show
do this page because I will write some, make some.
cross multiplication method. It's a very good
Average
method.
of elimination.
Okay. Now I told you two equations. You know how to get A1, B1, and B2,
A1, B1 and B2, yeah.
and C2. You know how to get it,
And
right?
C1 and B1.
You have to print out of all the pages.
Yeah. Why?
No, I just thought I missed one. Okay.
Went to the
Okay.
Xerox
Now in multiplication method, what you need to write this pattern. See, here is the pattern given. B1, B2. Okay.
Yeah.
C1, C2. A1, A2. B1, B2. You need the pillow.
No, I don't need the pillow.
Okay. Here you write X. Here you write Y.
But one minute, what are you doing? I don't even know what you're doing.
Wait, I'm just writing X.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but what? It's a
मैं बताती हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट क्या करने वाली हूँ.
नहीं, अच्छा, you're just teaching me something. Okay, fine.
मैं सिर्फ बता रही हूँ कि दो इक्वेशंस है. मैंने बताया था ना आपको A1x
हाँ.
B1 C1 = 0. मेरा एक इक्वेशन
Yes.
होगा.
Yes.
दूसरे इक्वेशन में मुझे निकालना है A2, B2 और C2.
Yes.
ठीक है. सपोज मैंने निकाल दिया.
हाँ.
ठीक है. फिर मैंने उसे ऐसे लिखा B1 B2 लिखा, फिर C1 C2, फिर A1 A2, फिर वापस B1 B2 लिखा.
Okay.
मैंने लिख रही हूँ अभी.
Now why you written X, Y?
हाँ. यहाँ पे मैंने x लिखा, यहाँ पे मैंने y लिखा, यहाँ पे मैंने 1 लिखा. मुझे x और y का वैल्यू निकालना है. अब मैं ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड हमने ऐसे स्टार्ट करना है. तो मेरा x का वैल्यू अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, ये क्या है B1 × C2 करो. क्या होगा
B1 into C2.
B1 × C2 होगा. माइनस ये करना है, क्या होगा B2 × C1. सिमिलरली y के नीचे क्या होगा, दिस माइनस दिस, C1 × A2 माइनस C2 × A1. अभी 1 के लिए आप बताओ.
B1 into B2 minus A2 into B2
इंटू
B1.
रिमेंबर, ये डायरेक्शंस मेरे यहाँ पे जो होगी सब जगह वही होगी. अगर मैंने इसमें से ये माइनस किया है तो यहाँ पे भी मैं इसमें से ये माइनस करूँगी. ये नहीं कि मैंने इसमें से ये माइनस कर दिया. ठीक है. मतलब अगर ये सारे पहले हैं तो सब में तीनों जगह मेरा ये वाला नंबर फर्स्ट लिखूँगी मैं, और माइनस हमेशा सेकेंड वाले नंबर को करूँगी. समझा? यू आर गेटिंग इट ना? दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट मेथड फॉर द टफ इक्वेशंस. यू गेटिंग इट? ओके. अभी मेरा ये इक्वेशन आ गया ना, तो मेरा आंसर निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी आप मुझे बताओ, इसमें मेरा
A1 ना? C1.
C1 ठीक है.
Sorry.
अभी आप मुझे ये इक्वेशन में सिर्फ इतना लिख के यहाँ पे बताओ. ये इतना यहाँ पे लिख के बताओ. ये इक्वेशन पे पहले आप A1 B1 C2 निकालो और मुझे ऐसे लिखो, और ये मुझे ये वाला इक्वेशन तक.
Okay.
ओके. ठीक. पिलो ये तो कम.
No. Actually, the table is missing here, no? That's why we are
Yeah,
finding out. I was just thinking, what is
Yeah,
happening
we
here?
actually study this
Yeah, no
way.
problem.
So
No, I'm perfectly okay with that. So I just wanted to know what is missing. X is missing. I just forgot what in a map something is missing. I forgot.
Will it? Milk water? No. This is a chilled one.
पप्पा तुमने मिले ना पप्पा तुम ऑफिस में गए ना हैं
Take na.
Science.
B1 minus 5 Correct. Correct.
You don't remember this thing. You write like this and then remember how to get this. Because it's.
But this is a formula, no?
This is a formula, but you won't be able to memorize it.
Why?
It's too difficult, no? B1, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2.
I have
This is the method to get it. No, this is the memorizing method. This is the that's why it's the easiest method. Why? Because you have to memorize this. You have to write this B1. पहले B लिखो, फिर C लिखो, फिर A लिखो, फिर B लिखो. यहाँ पे X, Y और 1 डालो.
In the exam, I won't be able to write all this.
But you have to do it.
But yeah, it will take time. No?
This is actually the advantage of the method. Okay. When you go home, try to
Yeah, then I
get
go.
this equation from this,
Yeah.
or else memorize this.
But memorize it.
So now start from this.
Yeah. So I'll just solve this first. Yeah.
You cannot solve this first.
I have to first write the whole thing.
Because you need to equate it to something to make an equation.
No, I thought I know. Solve it.
Okay,
I'll just
okay.
give this okay.
Thanks.
text.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You want to sit in chair and
No. But if we don't have a table now, so then it's no point. What's the point? Like it'll be the same. Don't worry about me. No, not a problem.
minus 1 goes away. Minus into minus is plus. Now you write it.
Yeah. But I'll just I'll do that. Okay.
Excellent. Correct. Now this is your one side.
So 80x by 65 is 1. Is this. Now I have to do this and then I have to do this.
Now I will tell you one thing.
Great.
If you want to get first size, अभी सीधा ये डायरेक्ट करो. इन दोनों को इक्वल मत करना इक्वेशन बनाने के लिए. इक्वेशन में कुछ चाहिए ना x का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए. इन दोनों को करो. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो सीधा तुम यहाँ पे नंबर शफल करोगे और x का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. समझा? मतलब कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, इसे इक्वेट करते हैं. अगेन दे आर गोइंग टू द रिग्रेस मेथड. Not to equate this. Directly equate this to this. Then when you find y, equate this to this. Because this is a pure number, right? Number, you get a value. Okay? So you do y at home, you just show me for the x how you solve it. So get this quantity, equate it and show me.
Now I'll do it now.
Now, for y you do it at home.
I think I'll do that y also just for this one problem. The others I will get confused there.
Okay.
Na? I'll jumble up everything.
Okay, fair. You want to sit back and like stretch your leg and then write properly? You can sit, it's okay, comfortable. Be comfortable.
See, I don't know how to sit now, so I'm
I'll
just
tell
trying
you.
to, like a cat, you know. I'm just trying to,
I'll
all methods I'm
just
trying.
go back.
Yeah. Slowly my body will understand. But till then I'll have to just keep on rearranging myself. Okay, now I'll do it here. Yeah, I made a mistake. I did minus B2C1.
Minus B2C1.
I didn't do that in this.
So you can okay, minus, okay, I forgot the next term.
I didn't do
I
it.
also didn't recognize.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm wondering here, it looks different from here.
So you can do it right from here.
Here?
Here. Make a bracket over here.
Yeah.
You have calculated, okay, not here also. Here यहाँ पे ही कर लिया था ना ब्रैकेट, एक टर्म आ गया, अभी सिर्फ B2C1 कैलकुलेट करना है, वो अलग से आप कर लो और माइनस कर लो इसमें से.
Wait.
This is your B1C2. You have to calculate B2C1. What is your B2? What is your C1?
Yeah, I'll see.
B2 and C1.
Yeah.
2 it's minus 1. It's just 1.
1 minute. B2 is 1 by 2 minus.
Into.
No, sorry. Into C1 is 2. Okay. Correct?
Yeah.
So
B2 is not minus. Okay.
minus 1.
So you have there 65 upon 18 minus here. Here.
Minus 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you take 65 minus 18 upon 18, you'll get.
Wait, I'll do that. 65 minus 1 into 18, yeah? By 18. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So 65 minus 18 would be 7. 47, yeah?
57. It's 65 minus 18.
It will be 47, no?
57 there. You take 1 from here, it goes to 15 minus 8 is 7. यहाँ से 1 लिया तो 6 में से क्या बचा? 5 बचा ना? So 5 will get down.
65 minus 18, na?
Okay, so you have minus 47, sorry.
Hello.
I was just seeing
No,
the 8.
it's okay. 47 by 18, yeah? So
It will be 18x upon 47.
18 what?
18x upon 47. This whole term was in the denominator of x. So here x upon 47 by 18.
Okay. X upon 47 by 18 will be equal to 18 into 8, x into 18 by 47. Correct?
Here it is x.
Another x. No? And then is equal to 18x by 47.
Yeah.
Instead of 55 we got 47. Fine. Minus 5 by 9.
So you are here 1 upon 3 by 4 plus 5 by 9.
Yes. So again I have to take the LCM.
Now how will you take?
Now
4 और 9 के टेबल में एक भी चीज़ नहीं आती है कॉमन.
yeah, so
So you have to calculate LCM, you know.
4 and 9. Factorize it. That means split it into 2.
No, it's show me. LCM is a difference.
So even though we went into cross multiplication, even though we went into cross multiplication, still we have to do factorization in LCM, but without x.
Yes. You have to do it.
Okay.
You have to do it. But it is why it's simpler because here you direct on the one side you only have a number. You don't have an x and y.
Yeah. Correct.
Here you have x, y on both the sides.
Yeah.
I mean, it's in
It is
one
very
equation.
complicated, yeah.
So here it becomes easier. Now you start with the very lowest number.
Okay.
Which is the lowest number? 4 and 9. First it is 4.
Yeah.
ठीक है? अभी 4 को पहले हमें तोड़ना है. So you will start with 2, not 1. 2.
Yeah.
2 to the 4. 2 to the 4.
Yes.
Here something goes with 2 to get 9.
No.
So you write it as it is.
Yes.
Now, which is the lowest number? 9 and 2 make 2.
Yeah.
You'll start with again
2.
2 ones are 2. Is there anything that brings 9? You write it as 9. Now here 1. 1. So 1 तो 2 से जाएगा नहीं. 1 से ही जाएगा. So you'll start with 1, 1, 1. Is there anything that goes with 9? 1 into something into 9?
9.
Yeah. So write it like this. Again same step. Now you have to factorize 9. So what is the smallest number for 9? 1 नहीं होगा. 1 already हो गया है. 2 नहीं होगा. 2 into now. So 3.
3.
इसे हम factorize नहीं कर सकते. 3. Now what will take?
Now what you take? Now 3.
Here
One.
nothing. 1 only. Here
1.
So at the end I got 1, 1. My done. It is done. Now I'm doing all of this. This is my LCM. So what is this? 2 into 2. 2 are
4.
into 1.
4.
3 are
12.
3 are 36.
36.
So my LCM is 36. So I will take it as 36. Now what I have to multiply here and what I have to multiply here? You write there, then you multiply by this. You get your first number plus you multiply by this. You get the second number.
Okay, now this factorization even I know, but you know what, when the other teacher know, I'll just show you what factorization he told me. He just told me in one step. I'll just show you that.
Sure.
Because unless I show you that, no, I won't be able to correlate the two. Because if I show
Yeah,
you,
there are different methods also for the LCM.
no, but this is the way I know. This is the way we learned in school.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the way we learned it.
Yeah, yeah. So the other way that he taught me was this also. He taught me means he just mentioned it. So I was wondering what factorization is this, something new or what? This is what? Yeah.
क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का फैक्टराइजेशन. ये
हाँ.
इक्वेशन का फैक्टराइजेशन है. जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ 2 नंबर का फैक्टराइजेशन है. ओके. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को स्प्लिट करना इज नोन एज फैक्टराइजेशन. दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने का एक मेथड है फैक्टराइजेशन. मतलब हम लोग ये इक्वेशन को स्प्लिट करेंगे. अभी मुझे यहाँ पे एलसीएम निकालना था.
And why do you call it a quadratic? Because it is x raised to 2.
Okay.
So quadratic.
That is
So
the
quadratic
thing which
equation.
we will do tomorrow.
So for quadratic equations, that's one of the methods of solving quadratic
So
equations.
factorization basically means splitting.
Great. So okay, now what in linear equation there is no factorization.
You don't need to do that.
Okay, now I got it. So complicated. Okay. So
4 times that gives you 36. It's right here. It's 9. So to multiply 9 to the 4 to get 36.
yeah. So I have to
Like
write.
that way. You like that.
So I'm writing it here. 4 into 9 and 3 into 9. Okay?
You don't have to multiply. You have to just think. This is for your sake. Abhi, you want to know na what is the number over here. So you got this number. So abhi मैं बता रही हूँ this is the method to get this number. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. This is for you.
But we have to multiply this 3 by 9, no?
Why you have to multiply?
Because
But you don't have to multiply by here.
here it is correct.
It's only 4. Okay. I thought you multiplying both by 9 and then you're cancelling it like that.
No. I know what I understood. This down it is 36, but why? Yeah. Plus 5.
9. 5 into?
1 minute. 4. 5 into 4.
Yeah.
And 3 is 27 plus 20.
Yeah.
36. Okay. 47 by 36, huh? So 1 into 36 by 47. Yeah.
That will be 36 by 47.
Yeah.
And one is 36 by 47.
Yes.
Now you got your second side also.
Yes. One. Okay, that is 36 by 47. So
You got your one side as 36 by 47. This whole thing you got as 36 by 47.
it's 1 by okay. This whole thing is 36 by 47.
What was that thing? 18x upon?
Okay. I understand.
Here you have written na somewhere.
Yes. 18x by
18x upon 47. Here is was second thing ना ये हमने गलत कर दिया
ये गलत था. Okay. 18x by 47. Okay. So your
equated because this is equal to that. Right here only 2 steps equal to 18x.
Just to make it clear, 18x by 47 is equal to
36 by 47.
36 by 47.
So what is the x?
Yeah. So 18x is
Yeah,
equal to
47 get
36.
cancelled.
X is equal to 36 by x is equal to 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then we just substitute now.
हाँ अभी आपको ये नहीं भी करना है ना तो you can directly go to the actual equation. What was the actual equation? Here we substitute any value of x in any of the two equations here directly. Why you don't have to do the next step?
Correct.
Because you are not doing 9th standard, you don't have to show all this. So in exam you will quickly do it by substituting in this equation. You don't have to calculate the next.
I get it.
Okay,
then
so what is your y from here?
I just
You know
Yeah.
x here. What is your y?
2 by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 7 by 6. But now we have to find the thing, no?
हाँ,
LCM.
LCM again.
So the LCM will be 6 here.
Not here. First transfer it. कभी भी जो
हाँ,
unknown
हाँ,
quantity है ना वो
हाँ,
एक साइड में पहले
y
कर
by
देना
2
चाहिए.
is equal to 7 by 6 minus 2 by 3.
So 6 and 3 में
6.
yeah.
So that's 13 minus 4
Yeah.
is equal to y by 2.
Yeah.
So that's equal to 9 by 6.
Yeah. Into 2.
Y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2.
Yeah.
And y is equal to 3 by 2 into 2. Y is equal to 3.
Yeah. What your answer?
Oh, great. So, one minute, you said so we did cross multiplication.
Derivative substitution.
Okay, but you said there's factorization? No, factorization is not
No,
there.
I'll tell you later.
It's not there in linear equation.
No, wait, I don't remember exactly. I said I forgot the name. Cross multiplication, elimination.
Substitution, and the last one is?
graphical and okay, factorization is not there, sorry, factorization is not there, it is graphical. Okay, graphical. And I told you how many methods?